bit of voiceover man here, I'm afraid. I want to talk about defensive driving. I get accused of I'm not very good at it. Now I'm coming off at this next junction, and so is this car here that I'm going to highlight. I'm over because we are about 3/4 of a mile away from the junction, but she seems to think that she can overtake a few more vehicles, and instead of going over to the left, she's going over to the right. She's going out into lane 3 to try and overtake more vehicles. Now we are half a mile now from the junction, so she should be over to the left. It's not rocket science. She should be over to the left by now. Now she's suddenly realising she can't overtake, but it becomes my problem now, so I have to back off and let her in. If I don't do that, I get slated in my message board about not being a very good defensive driver. That's the braking distance she's given me, probably about a car length. There's no thank you, no nothing for me backing off. I'm just coming into your lane, that's it. So I've speeded this up obviously, just to show you what sort of driver she is when we get to the top at the roundabout. But if someone can actually explain to me defensive driving, why I would be criticised and she wouldn't, driving the way she did. As you can see, we go round the roundabout and she just cuts across my lane, no indication, just straight over. So you can see what sort of driver she is. Not very good at any type of driving. Same scenario here. I'm coming off the next junction, so is that car there. As soon as I can move over, I do, and she moves over one more as well. I've gone back a little bit just to show you the view that we had. So obviously there's not a lot of room to overtake because of the lorry and someone in lane 2. So as soon as I move over, there's nothing, you can't go around the outside, there's no point. But again, leaves me with very little braking distance when they've moved in. Not as bad as the last one, but still it's too tight, and there's no reason to do it. Now, you know, it's a bit different from the last one, but there's an old saying, what goes around comes around, and it's only just literally turned into official slip road as well, so really it's not that big an issue what she's done, but it's still a bit too tight, a bit too close to me she was. But this guy here, this first class idiot here, this is what I mean about what goes around comes around. He also wants that our turn off. Now, is she going to show defensive driving? No, doesn't back off at all. So there we have it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of voiceover man. Should I stop doing it? Would you prefer it rather than having text on the screen that you have to read while trying to watch the clip? Just let us know in the comments down below what you prefer.
5Ah batteries and charger for just $229.95 plus 20% VAT. For more great deals like this and to view our extensive power tools range, visit cef.co.uk or pop into your local store. CEF, your electrical expert.
It's not that difficult to just stay on your side of the road, or is it?
Switch and save over two. To stop Chris Eubank Jr. fighting Conor Benn at £157 next month. More on this story before 8 AM on TalkSport this morning. Now, this week, Talk TV will be paying tribute to the Queen Elizabeth II. Piers Morgan will be joined by Talk TV presenters and royal experts at 8 PM every day this week. And you can find Talk TV on
Not a clue that I was there. Not a clue that I was there.
Virgin 6. breakfast. It's 8:49. It's Tuesday morning. We are here with Arnold Clark. Lock in 2 years free servicing when you buy any used car. Now on the back page.
What were you thinking, woman?
You will see this. Eubank. I will store.
Not only is this a crap driver inside this car, it's also not very good at reading the road signs. It doesn't have to be up the arse of that car in front. It doesn't need to cut across the car in front of me, because both lanes go to where he's going. He could stay in the lane he's in and come off at the slip road. What an idiot. Could have just gone in that little slip road there with no dramas.
Now just £3.49, including our vegan and vegetarian options. Just one of your ways to save with Morrison's. Majority of stores subject to availability. Cannot be used in conjunction with any other offer. Does not include small or ultimate breakfast. Was £6.99 and Sunday.
Life is complicated.
Hastings Direct Car Insurance.
Is complicated.
Hastings Direct Car Insurance is simple.
Relationships are messy and complex.
You can tell heavy on the brakes and all of that sort of stuff. He is going to pull across everyone. Just didn't want to wait in the queue.
Hastings Direct Car Insurance. Magnet's massive trade event, as well as extreme savings on kitchens, appliances and joinery. Quality laminate flooring for just £4.25 a square metre.
I stand. No, I don't stand corrected. There you go. And he's done it in such a way that someone could have got caught on the fucking yellow box junction. Arsehole.
You are young.
Yeah,
You
but
are-
High School Musical was a thing back in the day. It was a little bit of a throwback. That's what it's all about. And the best bit about all of that, by the way, it cost me.
Only a 30-mile-an-hour road, mate.
Jukebox. What a great idea, by the way.
Jukebox.
I felt like
Okay, we've got a busy road here with a slip road joining in. So it's quite simple. You just let one go and it runs so much more smoother. Just all you have to do, just let one out and just file in, merge and turn. It's simple, but you get someone like that undertakes on the bike just as they're about to pull out. I let one out and then someone undertakes him. It's just so simple to do it correctly, but these people have to be in front. And what have they gained? They've gone one car in front.
Fucking hell. What's that? What the fuck was that? Yeah, nice finger, arsehole.
I'm afraid, Trevor. I say afraid, it's great for you. I'm afraid for Mickey it's not. You are simply the best. Well done, my champion. Here at the
Cunt.
We've got our final hour of the show.
Shoulders. We think it's right. What I said I did 3,000 a day when I was in Spain.
3,000 a day, you're still sticking to that?
12 sets of 250. I don't do. Did when I was in Spain many years ago.
I mean, what is that?
250 sit-ups. Is there any personal trainer out there? Earth 81089.
Really good driving, that one, mate.
Something like you. That'd be people like Jordan Henderson still operating at a high level, but not always available. You look at Thiago, okay, it's a challenge, but he's injured again. There's not a lot of depth there, is there?
Well, there is depth, but they don't seem to stay fit. When you're looking at Keita, obviously Chamberlain, Curtis Jones, who played games last season.